Joy and peace are not simply emotions. They are fruits of the Spirit that are given to us to be grown and cultivated. But how? Hi there, I'm Sherry Peavy, and in my online ministry, I'm known as Sherry Elaine. I am a Christian writer, a school psychology and positive mental health specialist, and a lifelong learner and teacher of the scriptures and of spiritual and soul care formation. I'm offering a 5-week experience early this summer to help midlife Christian women who are feeling overwhelmed, stuck, or just plain weary. We're going to learn to renew our minds, restore our energy, and reconnect with God in a deep and meaningful way. I'm inviting you to my Renew and Revive Soul Care Retreat. It's a 5-week online experience designed to help you slow down, declutter your mind, restore your energy, release stress and overwhelm, and rediscover peace, purpose, and joy in your everyday life, or maybe even start to realize those things for the first time. Friends, joy and peace are not simply emotions. They are fruits of the Spirit that are given to us to be grown and cultivated. But how? In our current day, we are so busy, so distracted, and so disconnected that we've forgotten how, if we even knew what to do in the first place. So join me. First, for participating in the very heart of the retreat and to get the weekly teachings, you can join for free. You'll get access to the private Facebook group where there will be 5 powerful training videos released weekly that will guide you through practical, life-changing, and transformational biblical soul care strategies. Second, you're highly encouraged, but this is optional, to upgrade to the $65 small group cohort experience. This has limited enrollment. You will get the full retreat with the weekly live sessions with me, and also 5 facilitated small group mentoring and coaching sessions with me and a small group of women that are all on the same journey. Together we will support, encourage, and connect during this time. And third, if you know you have something going on and you think you want the full experience, but you'd also like some personal private support, you can choose the $95 option, which includes, in addition to everything that I've just explained, a private one-on-one counseling or coaching session with me, plus everything else. No matter which option you choose, you'll be taking a beautiful step towards more energy, more faith, and a better sense of rootedness and purpose and joy. I can't wait to walk with you through it. Come join me. Down below, there's a list of each topic that we will be covering each week, as well as the 3 different options for sign up. Now, go ahead and sign up early. It's before May 17th, because that's when early registration ends, and these options will have increases at that time. I'm looking forward to seeing you.